What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 2Bit Crypto here. Time to talk Crow Coin. Another coin on an absolute rampage today. Seeing some massive gains in line with the rest of the cryptocurrency market. What is going on? Is there more upside to come? And should you be holding Crow Coin? We're going to break it all down for you in this video. And if that's something you like the sound of, be sure to subscribe. We bring you the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency every single day right here on the channel. So turn notification bell on. And with that being said, let's get into the market. Let's take a really quick overview. 1.33 trillion, up 0.8, volume up about 3.5%, with Bitcoin hovering around that 35,000. Are we going to hold? Is the Asian market going to come out and buy in about an hour's time? Probably when you see this video, the Asian markets will have opened. Well, we'll see. But if we scroll down here, two big things to think about. 32nd highest ranked cryptocurrency right now is Crypto.com's Crow. That's right, it was 33, overtaken BUSD at a $1.9 billion market cap and is on a tear. Look at the volume, 43% up, 5.6 on the market cap, 8% up on the price, 758. Where were you when it was 4 cents and we were saying buy Crow? I've owned Crow, I've held Crow, a number of people in my community have as well, and there is more upside coming to this. Why? Well, here is a couple of important things to look at, particularly when you look at the technicals. Now, we are up at that 7 cent range, about 3.5% move up through the sixes, but the all-time high for Crow is around 97 cents. A lot of people truly believe that we could get back to that relatively quickly if the market continues to move like it is. Bull market sentiment could definitely see us start to pick up. But what you can see there, the image on the screen, you have on the left-hand side, the price movement. That is ultimately in the past 24 hours, and then the volatility is also in there as well. So you can see significant price movement with increased volatility, which is slowing down as we get some stabilization. Remember, things cannot just continue to go up every second of the day, because ultimately they have to find a level of consolidation. We see their trading volume on the coin increased over 162%. What does that mean? Well, ultimately it means people are buying more. And when we say people, that is retail and institutions. Remember, Crypto.com, I think, could be that platform that dethrones Binance. They have a lot going for them. They are fantastic at marketing and they bring new users into cryptocurrency. But the reality here is that they are seeing a significant increase in volume and equally in holders. You can see there, like I said, the market cap is continuing to move up as well on this document. So the current market cap ranking for Crow at that number 32, like we said. So huge steps going forward for Crow Coin, but that is not all. And I wanted to touch on this very, very briefly. So Chris, he is the CEO of Crypto.com. Here he is. Now, he has been very vocal on a number of things, and equally though is one of the people that come to the forefront. And this is why Crypto.com is such a big platform. They are into big sporting events. They get the name out. They are in places that you don't expect to see them, whether that be in the World Cup, whether that be in the Formula One. And actually, we're starting to see a little bit more of this come to the fruition. And this, once again, is what Crypto.com do well. It's simply takes them to a different place versus something like Binance or any other exchange, because they are, the reality of this, are in the limelight. They're at the forefront. They're a super accessible exchange to get on as well. And this, for me, is what makes them different. This is why there is a true sentiment when we look at the exchange. And obviously on the exchange, that is where you can get Crow. Now, if we take a look at the platform itself, you can see they are the 12th highest ranked exchange with a $1.8 billion asset backed. What's interesting, 5% of the entire assets is in Crow, 55% is in BTC. So again, look at that trading volume though. 500 million is quite low comparison to something like Binance, but like I said, definitely some significant move to come with that. Now, what we're seeing with Crow at the same time though is a very interesting chart starting to develop, as well as some bullish sentiment coming on Crow, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down. There's a lot of intrinsical links into the Cronos ecosystem that is ultimately driving this as well. So if you take a look at the chart, what have we got? Well, it's on an absolute move. So we got the buy reversal indicator down here Sunday the 29th, so nearly a week ago now, and Crow has absolutely sent it. Now, we're going to have to come right the way out and even go into a slightly higher time frame to give us a view of where we could see some volatility and equally where we could see some price movement going. So here's the VPVR on the right hand side as we kind of work our way up. The next stop, set your alarm clocks, 8122 could be the next stop for Crow if we can continue up, if we get past where we're currently sitting right now. Now, we can see here is this low level of volume, which could significantly push us back up. And we were around here on the buy signals back back in March. So we'll see if we can kind of continue into this zone. But right now we are almost in local price discovery and could see us significantly move. Now we just flipped into a new day here in the UK, so that's why all the numbers are a little bit skewed on the right hand side. But head up to the 8s. 8s feel like the next thing. That's the next big test. But for me, Crypto.com is looking fantastic. The Crow coin will naturally grow with that exchange as well. I definitely think there's some more upside to come with the Crow coin. But let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you hold Crow? Are you expecting a move? And what's your price prediction for the end of the year? Look out for Crypto.com in the Formula One and everywhere else as this market continues to move. And I think it'd be worth having a look at. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see more content around Crowcoin or Crypto.com, smash the like button. That's how I know that you enjoy this sort of content. And as ever, don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.